City of Ethekwini has been ordered to fix long-running sewage pollution problems following legal action by ActionSA and the Democratic Alliance. ActionSA maintains that the municipality has a legal obligation to repair and upgrade infrastructure which is contaminating water sources. The party's KZN leader, Zwakele Mncwango, joins us now for more on this. Mr. Mncwango, good to have you. Thank you very much for your time. Should you not coordinate this thing a little bit more and politicizing it? Well, it's our court case, is that one court case now? Others are going to the South African police for arrests. Shouldn't there be a more coordinated effort, particularly from opposition parties?
Yeah, greetings to you, Thabo, and the viewers at home. You're quite correct, Thabo. When we went to court in 2022, in November, as ActionSA, firstly, what we did, we made actually a public call because we've tried internally within the municipality, and all parties are present there. We try to argue with the municipality, trying to force the municipality to do the right thing. We demanded a plan from the municipality to fix infrastructure, to ensure our beaches are safe, and environment is also safe, healthy for people to come to Ethekwini, and there's no pollution. We tried everything within the municipality. But before we went to court, we tried to engage other parties. We even made a public call at Thabo. I remember issuing even a statement where we asked all other parties to come and join hands with us. We didn't expect actually to have two cases in court. We're expecting that those interested will come and join our case. Hence, ActionSA went to court in November 2022, and then the DA went to court in July 2023, 6 months later. But we also invited them to come and join our court case, but they decided of their own, we don't know the reason why, to go to Pietermaritzburg High Court, not Durban High Court. So end of the day, the court decided to bring us together to say these cases are actually seeking the same relief, rather come together and we hear these matters in one day and also make sure the ruling surface what you are looking for. Yeah. So you're quite correct, Thabo. It's not something we must politicize. Here we talk of livelihood of our people. We talk of health issues. We talk of tourism and economy of Ethekwini. We should be coordinating and uniting. And I'm still appealing to all parties to unite, and let's really look forward in terms of this court order now we have before us. Let's look at the municipality where they can implement what the court have said. We must monitor if the municipality really release the results, test results every week. We must monitor if the municipality indeed will able to have a plan in 2 months' time as the court have ordered. So those are the things we must look at. And also to fix infrastructure, Thabo, because end of the day, we can talk of high E. coli in our beaches over and over and over again, up until the municipality fix the broken infrastructure, fix the aging infrastructure, and ensure there is no severe pollution in our beaches. So at the moment, Thabo, we need to work together and really do what is best for residents of Ethekwini. Hence, I keep saying, this is not a victory for ActionSA or any party. It's a victory for people of Ethekwini. It's a victory for tourists who come to Ethekwini. It's a victory for everyone who's interested in finding a job in Ethekwini.
So let's talk about the issues then surrounding this particular crisis. I mean, the response to the judicial demand by the municipality is that, one, measures are already underway. And how true is that? We believe that by June, at least, the municipality had recorded water distribution losses of nearly 60%, with some over 7,000 water pipes leaks remaining unrepaired. So when they are saying measures are underway, to what extent are those measures underway?
Thabo, that's a problem we always find ourselves in Ethekwini because there's always misleading statements. For example, if you remember, there was a budget that was released by National, a disaster relief budget. And when that money was received by the municipality, a smaller portion was actually allocated towards fixing infrastructure. And after doing that, because we wanted to play oversight as councillors from opposition, they've decided to take the budget and give it to Umgeni Water. Now, the issue of maintenance is now beyond Ethekwini municipality. It was given to Umgeni Water, whereas councillors, we can't play proper oversight because Umgeni Water is an entity, not the municipality. We can easily play oversight in council. So at the moment, you hear what is happening, but you can't really see for yourself as councillors, or also play oversight and ask questions. Because when you ask questions, we are being told this is done by Umgeni Water, not us. So that's a problem we are facing, because what the council have done was to take away its responsibility and given to someone else, for passing it back into someone else. So we believe that the Ethekwini municipality need to come up with a plan, not what they've given us so far. Hence, the court have also said, this is not a plan. It's just not even worth the paper written on. We need a clear plan on terms of how we're going to do the issue. For example, Thabo, you've got a problem where you've got sewer infrastructure, like sewer pipes, that are connected to drainage system. As a moment, it's raining. What happened? Every pipe, which sewer, connected to drainage system, it means all the drainage system are actually connected to rivers, and the rivers are also connected to the sea. So meaning the sewer is spilling direct to the sea at the moment. Yeah. It's a similar case you see in Cape Town. Cape Town is different because Cape Town actually, they release raw sewer direct to the sea. At Ethekwini, there's an illegal connection. It's an issue of compliance to say, how do we make sure developers are not connecting sewer lines to our drainage system, because that affect our beaches. And I can tell right now, Thabo, every rain in Ethekwini will affect our beaches. I can tell tomorrow we'll have different readings. So at the moment, we had 4 beaches were closed. Now 3 have been opened. But even though, Thabo, for example, if you look at a country club and Battery Beach, they are still above 300 CFUs per 100 mils. They're still high. But obviously, the city will only close at 500 CFUs. But we believe, in terms of the normal standard, the beaches will be closed anything above 250 CFU per 100 mil. So it's already dangerous, because remember, Thabo, when you talk of E. coli, it's not just a salt or sugar, it's a bacteria, and a very dangerous bacteria. So the more it's higher, it's actually more problematic for health issues. Hence, the court have said the city is in violation of Section 24 of the Constitution that says everyone has a right to environment that is not harmful to their health or well-being. That's a very, very critical issue to say the city can't really risk the lives of tourists who come to Ethekwini, residents of Ethekwini, or anyone really who walk around our beaches.
Right. Now, responding to that, I mean, they're saying there's notable improvement in performance of wastewater treatment facilities throughout various regions of the city. So they're saying, yes, 4 of them maybe might have reported higher E. coli levels, but it's those 4. 19 of the other beaches are doing okay, and even those 4, 3 of them were back online. Now it's only 1 that is left. So it doesn't, according to them, indicate a widespread problem throughout all the beaches.
Yes, Thabo, let me put it this way. The issue here is this. When you look at the beaches and the pollution, it only depends on the current. Now, the current is about the movement of seawater. Now, whenever it is spilled to the sea, depending on the current, how it's moving, so it may be moving on an opposite direction where there are more beaches, which is more better. But if it's moving direct to where their beaches get affected, so it's always dependent on the current. So that's a problem I think we need to also understand, to say it's not always easy to say, yes, now you are safe. But also, yes, there are treatment plants that have been fixed, but as well, there's a lot of broken infrastructure, and there are still pump stations that are still pumping raw sewer to our rivers. Up until you fix the broken infrastructure and making sure that there are normal pump stations that are pumping sewer direct to the rivers, because the only reason why you have pump stations directing sewer to the rivers is because the sewer treatment plants are not actually functional. So up until you fix all that infrastructure, you won't have a problem, because end of the day, there is no rain that brings dirty. It's issue of infrastructure, which is not really consumed. But also, yes, I understand, our people also must be cautioned in terms of throwing dirt anywhere, because we also have, as a citizen, must be responsible. Yeah. We can't have residents that are irresponsible, that litter anyway, because that also affects our environment, and end of the day, it goes to the sea. But I can tell you, you go to Mayville today, Thabo, on the road, there is sewer all over the road. You go to some township, Kwamashu, by Tumsalmakai main road, I can tell you, there is sewer spilling over there. Where is it going? It would go to any river. The only any river is also connected to the sea. So definitely, you will never have a permanent solution up until you fix infrastructure. What you want to see, Thabo, is consistency. So when you leave from Joburg, you're traveling to KZN, you want to know that when you get to Durban, you will find a safe beaches and beaches will be opened. What is right now is uncertainty, where travelers, they come to Durban. When you arrive in Durban, you're being told beaches are being closed because of source spills, because of high E. coli. That's the problem. So all we're calling for is consistency, because when you are consistent in terms of having open beaches clean, you then going to have to grow economy. You go to South Beach, Thabo, most restaurants are being closed. People have lost jobs. Hotels are no more full like it used to be previously. So we want to have a Ethekwini that can shine. Yesterday, Thabo, I walk around the beaches. I can tell you it was fully packed, nice weather. And the good thing about Ethekwini is God gave us this beautiful weather. And all we have to do is just to make sure that we maintain our infrastructure, ensure that we attract tourists. If we do that, Thabo, we will then grow our economy and really save a lot of jobs.
All right. We appreciate your time. Thanks so much for coming on that.